Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. To replace the oven thermostat assembly, you will need to uninstall the oven from the cabinet. To do this, first shut off the power supply to the oven. Now open the oven door and remove the screws in the side trim securing the oven to the cabinet. Have an assistant help you to slide the oven out of the cabinet and set it on a towel or carpet. Depending on the installation, you may need to detach the power cable from the junction box to completely remove the oven. Now, remove the oven control knobs. Remove the screws securing the upper trim and pull the trim off. Now, pull the control panel forward, reach behind, and slide the indicator light off of the joule. Disconnect the wires from the oven light switch and set the control panel aside. Next, remove the screws to release the control housing. Uninstall the screws securing both the selector switch and the thermostat. Now, disconnect the clock wires and set the housing aside. Disconnect the wires from the old thermostat. Unclip the old sensing bulb from the rear wall of the oven and feed it through the access hole. Remove the screw to release the sensing bulb wire retainer, if applicable. Now remove one or more of the screws to release the top cover so you can feed the sensing bulb through and remove the old thermostat. Install the new thermostat assembly by first feeding the sensing bulb under the top cover. With the bulb wire in place, secure the cover with the screw or screws. If applicable, secure the bulb wire in the retainer and replace the screw. Now feed the sensing bulb through the back of the oven and snap it into place. Connect the wires to the new thermostat. Now reconnect the clock wires. Guide the indicator light through the control housing and position both the selector switch and the new thermostat. Reinstall the screws to secure. Replace the screws to secure the control housing. Reconnect the wires to the oven light switch on the control panel and slide the indicator light onto the joule. Align the control panel. Replace the upper trim and secure the screws. Replace both control knobs. Now slide the oven back into position in the cabinet. Replace the screws in the side trim to secure. You're now ready to turn the power supply back on and check the oven to confirm it's functioning properly.